Hello everyone, welcome to this Java learning series. In this video, we'll be covering one of the most important and frequently asked topic in Java, strings. What is strings? So we will understand how strings work in Java, their methods, how they behave in memory. Plus, I will share in some common interview questions that might be faced around strings and how to answer. So let's get started with the basics. What is a string in Java? So basically, string is a sequence of character, and string are object from the string class. And this is our syntax of a string. How we store the data. A string, str, hello. In double code, we'll be storing this. There is two ways to create a string. Using string literals, string s1 equal to in double quote Java directly. And one more is using new keyword like string s2, new string, and here we are passing Java. These two types we can create a string. So we know string in Java are immutable. So we'll see what is immutability in Java. So once created value cannot be changed. Like we assigned a value, suppose here example, string is equal to hello. So this goes to string constant pool, or in string constant pool it maintain unique data. Okay, suppose one more I will do here. Suppose string s2 s1 equal to, here I will do hello. So in constant pool, S1 refers to hello and S also refer to hello. Means we have one object in string constant pool. Both S or S1 refers to hello only, not two object. So it maintain unique data only. So what happen if we'll change any one? Suppose here we are changing any one of this S1. So this affected to S also, because both S and S1 are referring to one object, hello in string constant pool. Because of that, we cannot change once assigned a value to string. So here S dot concat, we have a two method, S concat and append. So here S dot concat world. So not stored. Like if you print this system dot out dot println is, so it will print a hello only. Okay, we can change this, but hello will be still hello only. It will create new object. If you something like you can do string. Okay, later in next slide we'll see that. So here we have methods. Okay, we have many methods in string: length, charAt, substring, two lowercase, two uppercase, stream equals ignore case. So like length, what length will do? Length is the method that will return a length of our string, and character like charAt int. So we'll pass integer value in this. So it will return character of index, character index it will return. And it is a substring of a string. And two lowercase means it will make our string as in lowercase. To uppercase means it will create our string as uppercase. Trim means it remove white spaces. And equals, like equals and equals ignore case, both used to compare string. But in equals, like if we are a string uppercase and lowercase, so it's a case sensitive. It will not like Pawan P capital and one more Pawan P small. So it will give false because it's check case sensitive. In equal, if you don't want case sensitive, then you use equals ignore case. So it will not check capital or small letters. And contains and index of, both method used to search in inside string. Like contain basically used to check if string contain or character contain or not. Index of also, in which index the character which we pass, that is store or not. In string comparison, so like we have a double equal to, this is an operator that used to compare references, and equals is a method used to compare values of a string. Suppose an example we see, we have a two string, string s1 equal to Java directly, and string s2 using new keyword and passed to Java both. And here if we'll check s1 double equal to s2, means operator we are using here. So it will give false because it's check reference s1 and s2 address, it will compare, and always object will be different, address will be different. And if we'll see s1 dot equals method, if we'll use, then it will check contain Java. So it will give true. Okay. And if we'll see, like we have a plus operator also, concate as we saw in earlier method. So like we can, what we can do here, string a equal to hello directly, and one more string b equal to hello. Okay, both stored in string constant pool. And this one more thing, while doing storing using new keyword, it store in heap area, and this store in string constant pool. Both store in different areas, heap and string constant pool. That also asked an interview question, and this is asked in interview question. Sometimes they given is to string and check this is true or what it will do, true or false comparison. Okay. So here, but we are doing taking another character, another string a plus b. So what it will do? Hello power. So one is one object, this hello, so another world, and third object it will create hello world. So how we concatenate two string using double code, like this is a string. If we'll remove this will not concatenate directly a plus b. We need to use a string. Okay. And now, and we have like a string buffer, string builder also. So like a string create immutable object, and a string builder and a string buffer both create mutable object. So we'll see this in next slide or next video in deeply. Okay, basically in three ways we can create a string using a string buffer, and a string builder. So if we'll see mutability, a string create immutable object, and a string buffer, a string builder create immutable object. Thread safety, if we'll see, a string is not thread safe, and a string buffer is a thread safe, and a string builder again is not a thread safe. Because a string builder and a string buffer basically synchronized and non-synchronized class. So if you'll see, the speed of string is faster because it has many methods. Basically, in string buffer and string builder also having many methods. Because of like thread safe, this string buffer is non-synchronized class, so it is slow, and the string builder is very faster. That is not a synchronized class. So that also asked in interview question, what is the immutability involved to create this? And what like like we they can ask some interview code also, reversing a string, counting vowels, palindrome string, removing duplicates. This we'll see in upcoming videos. So basically, what they are asked in interview, focus on equals versus double equal to operator, and they give some code also to equal will give true or false, and be clear on our immutability. What is this? And known like a string builder, string buffer. So we'll see this string buffer and string builder in next video. So summary of this like string create immutable object and widely used, and it has important methods to handling easy, and use string builder for efficient operation. So that's all for this videos. In next videos we'll see like a string builder and a string buffer indeed. So thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.